everyone. Today I would like to play this Iceland of cat and rat. Let's see. Long time ago, there was a Chinese vendor. He ordered boats from Chinese farm, selling in Songkla. When the production ran out, he bought production from Songkla and was back to China. One day, while he was buying the production, he saw cute dog and cute cat. He brought dog and cat back to China. While dog and cat was being in the boat for a long time, its feet bored. They want to be back to its home in Songkla. They asked to each other for going home. Dog to cat. That window has magic ball and who caught it and content died. Cat thought that it would eat that Melrose thing to go with. Is this frightened? A starer. Is sick that it would take to escape before it. When the boat was back to Songkla again, a rat got into steering. The Melrose thing from the window by sucking magic ball in rat mouth. All three friends escaped from the boat and swim to coast of Songkla. While they are swimming together, a rat has swum before them. It thought that is going in magic ball in its mouth. Its terminals valuable is escape and a cat could go to the coast by landing. A cat swam back of a rat. It thought that it could go in magic ball too. It swam toward a rat. A rat saw that could catch would take this magic ball. It was shocked. It escaped finally, and it don't open, and the magic ball went down into the sea. All cat and rat couldn't swim anymore. All cat and rat died and dead there. He became its island of cat and rat in Bay of Songkla. By dogs swam with Thailand and swam to land. It was Thai and dead immediately. It became as the rock and called Tatsanaporn. It's the mountain in Songkla. The magic ball drops near that area and broken and become its beach. And called that beach has cycled in front of Songkla Bay. The end. Thank you for your attention.